4.3b The space of compact operators. Proposition 4.3.4 The set K of x to I of compact operators from x to y satisfies 1. K of x to y is a linear subspace of L of x to y. ഇത് ക്ലിയർലി സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യും നമ്മളെ മുമ്പത്തെ റിസൾട്ടുകൾ പ്രകാരം. രണ്ടാമത്തത് if A in K of xy, B in L of z to x, C in L of y to z, then AB in K of z to y, CA in K of x to z. In the case x equal to y, it means that K of x identically equal to K of x to x is a two-sided ideal of L of x to x identically equal to L of x. ഇനി മൂന്നാമത്തത് K of x to y is a closed subspace of L of x to y. അതിൽ രണ്ടാമത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രൂഫാണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം പറയുന്നത്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ എന്തായാലും സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ടാമത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രൂഫ് ഫോർ ദ ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ എ ബി let sequence Zn n equal to 1 to infinity be bounded sequence in Z. B is bounded, hence B of Zn is also bounded. A is compact, hence A of B of Zn has converging subsequence and thus AB is compact. For the operator BA, let sequence Xn n equal to 1 to infinity be bounded sequence in X. A is compact. Hence, a sequence A of xn n equal to 1 to n has converging subsequence A of xn k equal to 1 to infinity. B is bounded, so it follows that the sequence B of A of xn k equal to 1 to infinity also converging and thus BA is compact. Hence the proof. ഇനി മൂന്നാമത്തെ നമ്മൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് മൂന്നാമത്തെ let A tends to A and let A in K of x to y. In order to show that A is compact, it is enough to prove that AD of x, that is the image of unit ball, is pre-compact. Thus we have to find for all epsilon greater than 0 a finite epsilon net for AD of x. For all epsilon greater than 0 there exists n in n such that norm an minus a less than epsilon by 2 and an d of x is pre-compact, that is an is compact operator. Take an epsilon by 2 net yi equal to 1 to n of an d of x, then yi 1 to n is an epsilon net for AD of x. Indeed, for any y in AD of x, there is x in dx such that y equal to ax. Since sequence yi is an epsilon by 2 net of an d of x, take yi naught from the net such that norm yi naught minus an of x less than epsilon by 2. Then norm y minus yi naught less than or equal to norm ax minus an of x plus an of x minus yi naught less than epsilon naught. That's the proof. ഇനി അടുത്തത് എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ ഡുവൽ ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ എന്താണെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഡുവൽ ഓപ്പറേറ്റേഴ്സ് let A from x to y be a bounded operator and let x in y star, then f of x equal to phi of a of x phi of ax for x in x. Define a linear function on x. Moreover, mod f of x less than or equal to norm phi y star in dot norm a norm x. Thus f in x star, hence we have a map phi from phi to f from equal to a star phi. Obviously this map a star y star to x is linear. So for every x in x and phi in y star, we have phi of ax equal to a star phi of x. We check now that a star is also a bounded operator. Norm a equal to suprema norm x equal to 1 a star a of x, norm a of x y equal to suprema x equal to norm x equal to 1 supremum norm phi equal to 1 mod phi of a of x എന്നാട്ടോ. It is equal to supremum phi norm phi equal to 1 supremum norm f x equal to 1 mod phi of a of x equal to suprema phi equal to 1 suprema x equal to 1 a star phi of x എന്നാട്ടോ. It is equal to suprema norm phi equal to 1 norm a star phi x star equal to norm a star എന്ന് കിട്ടും. We thus see that we always have norm a equal to norm a star r. The operator a star is called a dual operator to the operator a. അവിടെ എന്തായിക്കാരം a star from x star y star to x star ആയിക്കാരം. Let us introduce now more convenient notation to deal with the duality and dual operators. Let x be a normed linear space and x star is its dual. For f in x star and x in x, we write the action of f on x in a symmetric way as inner product xf instead of f of x. That is, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്താ കിട്ടിയത് ഇന്നർ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് എക്സ് എഫ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് എന്നുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ നൊട്ടേഷൻ കൊടുക്കണമെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇനി ഫോർ എ ജനറൽ ലീനിയർ സ്പേസ് ഇ ആൻഡ് സ്പേസ് ഓഫ് ഫങ്ഷണൽസ് എഫ് ഓൺ ഇ വി കോൾ ഇന്നർ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് എക്സ് എഫ് ഈസ് ദ പെയറിംഗ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ഇ ആൻഡ് എഫ്. We copy in this notation the inner product notation, but now the first and second argument belong to different spaces. Applying this notation to pairing between x and x star, or we can rewrite the definition of dual operator a star of an operator a in the following way: for all x in x and for all f in y star, inner product axf equal to inner product x a star f എന്ന് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. Observe that if a in L of x and b in L of yz, then b a star equal to a star b star from z star to x star. In case of Hilbert spaces, for operator a in L of h1 to h2, the adjoint operator a in L of h2 to h1 is defined via the relation a inner product ax y equal to inner product x a y star inner product x a star y x in h y in h2. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ പറയാം. കൺസിഡർ k of t in L2 of I square where I എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണെങ്കിൽ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് ഇൻ്റർവൽ 0 ആണ്. And define the operator k on L2 of 0 1 by kx of t equal to inner product k of t tau d tau. Let us show that the adjoint operator k star is given by k star of I of t equal to integral over 0 to 1 k of tau t bar y of t phi of t d tau. We have അത് കാണിക്കണം എങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ we have inner product k x y equal to 0 to 1 of integral 0 to 1 of integral 0 to 1 k of t tau x tau d tau y 1 y of t bar dt ന്ന് which is equal to എന്താണ് inner product x y star ആണ്. Where y of t y star tau equal to inner product 0 to 1 k of t tau bar y of t dt ആണ്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇനി അടുത്തൊരു തിയറം കൂടി, തിയറം 4.4.1. A from x to y is compact implies A star from y to x, y star to x star is compact. Proof. We show that A star d of y star equal to k subset of x is pre-compact. Let f in A star d of y. Then f of x equal to A star phi of x for x in d of x. And phi in d of y star, that is f of x equal to A star or phi of x equal to phi of ax. We have norm f x star equal to supremum mod f of x is equal to supremum norm x less than 1 phi of ax equal to supremum phi of y, where y in t, where t equal to a d of x is pre-compact in y. Since A is compact, consider the collection of continuous function on t, m equal to phi in d of y. For any phi in d of y star, we have mod phi of y less than or equal to norm A, y in t, and the phi 1 y1 and minus phi 2 y2 less than or equal to norm y1 and minus y2 less than epsilon. For norm y1 and minus y2 less than epsilon, thus by Arzela's theorem, M is pre-compact. Let sequence fn n equal to 1 to infinity be a bounded sequence in A star d of phi star. From 1, it follows that the corresponding sequence of functions s of sequence phi n equal to 1 to infinity is also bounded. Hence, there exists a subsequence phi n such that norm phi n dash minus phi n double dash tends to 0 as n dash comma n double dash tends to infinity, which virtue of 1 means that norm fn star minus norm fn norm fn dash minus fn double dash x star tends to infinity, tends to 0 as n dash n double dash tends to infinity. So A in k of x to I, where A is compact operator, implies that A star in k of y star to x star, that is A star is also compact operator. That's the proof.